गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
ज्ञानप्रदाय गुरवे नमः। ईश्वरनन्दितश्रुतितत्त्वाय गुरवे नमः। गमगधीभावरसलसिताय गुरवे नमः। मम विधिं रागनरहरिं तं सद्गुरुं नमः। कृपाय परहिताय कृतिनुत गुरवे नमः। दशशतवाद्यवेद्याय पूज्याय मद्गुरवे नमः। निगमावरणे स्वरसिंहासने रागराजराजं तं वरगुरुं नमः। संस्कारं सततं देहि अनवरतं मे आशिषं कुरु स्वरदेवि प्रसादं देहि गुरो।
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
You taught us music. You taught us to smile. You taught us to give and the right way to live. Can never thank you enough for being what you were and making us what we are. Gurave Namaha.
सुनो सुनो हाँ सुनो सुनो हाँ महिमा इसकी सुनो सुनो मन को भाएगी सुपर साएगी भक्तिमयी ये सीताराम कथा सुनो सुनो हाँ सुनो सुनो महिमा इसकी सुनो सुनो सुनकर शांति सबको मिले मन को आनंद मिले मन शीतल तन
అఖిలాండ కోటి బ్రహ్మాండ నాయక ఆనంద నిలయ వర పరిపాలక లక్ష్మీ వల్లభ పాహి మాం పాహి మాం.
Hope everything is fine. What is the reason for sudden arrival?
Oh God, you know everything. Things are not right in Bhulu. Demons are becoming more powerful with the boon of Lord Shiva. Ravana is becoming more powerful and troubling all the three lokas. We are unable to perform our yajna. O Lord, to protect Dharma and Manukul, you incarnated in different avatars and protected us from adharma. Now protect us from Ravana.
I understand your pain. Your suffering will come to an end by me incarnated in human form in the name of Sri Ram, and Lakshmi will be incarnated as my wife Sita.
అది శుభోదయ వేళ, అది మహోదయ వేళ, ఇలపైన చీకట్లు తొలగిపోయే వేళ, సంతాన ప్రాప్తికై సతులతో కూడి దశరథుడు గావించే పుత్ర కామేష్టి, దీక్షను యాగ పురుషుడు మెచ్చి పాయసము నింపిన పాత్ర రాజునకిచ్చే, ఇక్ష్వాకు వంశాభివృద్ధి కది మూలమని ఎంచి ప్రాణుల కది పంచి పెట్టాడు. ఒక చైత్రమాసాన సకల శుభయోగాల నవచంద్రికలు వెలయు నవమి దశములలోన హరియాదిశేషువు శంఖ చక్రాలు రామ లక్ష్మణ భరత శత్రుఘ్నులను పేర అయోధ్యే కాదు అవనీతలం ఆనందపడు లీల అవతరించారు, ఆనందపడు లీల అవతరించారు. మిథిలలో యాగభూమిని దున్నుచున్న జనక రాజేంద్రుని మనసు కలవరమంద, నాగేటి చాలులో నర్రలాగాయి, ఆగిపోయిన నర్రలాశ్చర్యపడు లీల పసిడి మందసమొకటి పైకుబికి వచ్చింది, తెరచి చూస్తే అందు తెలినవ్వు పాపాయి, ఆ నవ్వు కిడవచ్చు వరహాలు వేయి. అది చూసి జగమంత హాయి హాయని ఆడ చిన్నారి పాపను సీత అన్నారు, చిన్నారి పాపను సీత అన్నారు.
Rama, where are you, Rama? Rama, where are you?
Kaushalya, whom are you searching for?
Have you seen Rama anywhere?
Do you think Rama is a small boy? He is 16 years old now.
पूजारुणम्
सिया राम जय जय राम राम सिया राम जय जय राम सिया राम जय जय राम सिया राम जय जय राम
Sita, Sita.
भूमि जा जानकी जनक सुता सीता भूमि जा जानकी जनक सुता सीता क्षितिज भूमि अवनिजा क्षितिज भूमि अवनिजा सुनेना सुता सीता
Long live the king! The great sage Vishwamitra has arrived at our palace. What? The great sage has arrived at our palace? Please welcome him with due respect. Welcome, O great sage Vishwamitra. Ayodhya is blessed with your shared presence. O sage, I am waiting for your orders. I will fulfill your orders without any hesitation whatsoever.
O king, I'm sure you will keep up your word. The demons are obstructing me from performing the yagyas conducted for the peace of the world. I need the help of your son Rama to destroy the demons.
You mean my son Rama? Rama is too young, and I don't think he's capable of killing demons. Instead, I will come with my entire army and fight the demons. Please spare my son Rama.
Stop, Dasharatha! I only asked you for Rama, but you have failed to keep up your word.
Please wait, Vishwamitra. Please wait. Your Majesty, Rama is a brave warrior and he can face any enemy. Send Rama. Only then the world will know who actually he is.
Oh great sage, I am very happy in sending Rama with you. Lakshmana, please accompany your brother Rama.
Shriram, this is Rakshasi Tadka's illusion, and her two sons, Marich and Shubahu, are keep on interrupting our yagya. She is not an ordinary demon. She is having thousands of elephant strength in her. She is very cruel. Her cruelty should come to an end.
इमं मे वरुणश्रुते हवमद्यातमुदय त्वामवस्सुरासके तत्त्वायामि ब्रह्मणा वन्द्यमानस्तदासास्ते गजमानो हविर्भिः अहेडमानो वरुणे हवोद्युरुजगं समान आयुप्रमोषीः गङ्गे च यमुने चैव गोदावरि सरस्वती नर्मदा सिन्धु कावेरी जलेऽस्मिन् सन्निधिं कुरु। अस्मिन् कुम्भे वरुणदेवता गङ्गादिपुण्यतीर्थम् आवाहयामि। वरुणाय नमः।
O Rama, your victorious courage made us free from Shubahu and Marich. King Janaka has invited me for the Sita Swayamvar. You may accompany me to Mithila. King Janaka has announced that whoever breaks the big bow, Shivadhanush, will win the hands of Sita.
जटाकटाह सम्भ्रम भ्रमन्निलिम्प निर्झरी विलोल वीचि वल्लरी विराजमानमूर्धनि धगद्धगद्धगज्ज्वलल्ललाटपट्टपावके किशोरचन्द्रशेखरे रतिः प्रतिक्षणं मम जयत्वदभ्रविभ्रमद्भ्रमद्भुजङ्गमस्फुरत् धगद्धगद्विनिगमत्कराळफालहव्यवाट् धिमिद्धिमिद्धिमिध्वनन् मृदङ्गतुङ्गमङ्गल ध्वनिक्रम प्रवर्तित प्रचण्ड ताण्डवा।
The devout follower of God Shiva, the great king of demons, great scholar, Trilok victorious, the Kaikashi Putra and king of Lanka, welcome, welcome.
Brother Vibhishan, where's my dear Kumbhakaran?
As you know, brother, in a year, 6 months full, sound sleep and tummy full of food is required for him. Do you want to meet him?
Ha 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 ha! Let him enjoy his sleep.
Jai Ho Maharaj! Jai Ho! Jai Ho!
Ha 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 ha! Victory? For me? With my Rudraveena I impress Lord Shiva and blessed by boon for being immortal. Victory is down of my feet.
Yes, my lord, you are mighty. King Janaka is unable to recognize. That's why you didn't receive the invitation of Sita Swayamvar.
Sita Swayamvar?
King Janaka has announced that whoever breaks the big bow, Shivadhanush, will win the hands of Sita.
Brother Vibhishan, immediately I have to travel to Mithila.
Brother Ravana, please think again before going without invitation.
Don't teach me what's wrong and right. Just you all do the arrangements to welcome the new bride. Har Har Mahadev!
Welcome all the kings who has accepted my invitation and came to attend Sita's Swayamvar. Whoever breaks the big bow, Shivadhanush, will win the hands of Sita. Please showcase your talent.
I'm waiting for this opportunity.
You couldn't even lift the Shivdanush. How are you even a king?
When so many warriors are present here, not a single person is able to lift this Shivadhanush.
Why not, Janaka? I'm here. Har Har Mahadev. Kailash Giri only I was able to lift. What is the Shivadhanush for the Kaikashi Putra? Ha 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 ha. Who else are present here? Be ready to shower flowers on me as soon as I will break the Dhanush.
शिव धनुष के साथ नववधु थी खड़ी, रघुवंशी राम का तेज भी जाग उठा। सुंदर काया पर मुस्कान खिल उठी, ऋषि की आज्ञा ले चल पड़े श्री राम जी। धनुष को भंग किया धीर वीर राम ने, गूंजी ध्वनि चारों इस प्रसंग से। वरमाला पहने स्वयं दोनों ने।
పెట్టుకుంది సీతమ్మ సీతమ్మ కంటి నిండా ఆశలతో మా సీతమ్మ
తాళి బొట్టు చేతబట్టి రామయ్య రామయ్య సీత చెయ్యి పట్టవచ్చే మా రామయ్య
పెద్దలు వేసిన అక్షతలు దేవుడు పంపిన దీవెనలు ఇవిలో కుదిరిన దంపతులు ఈ చోట కలిసారు ఈ పాటికి
ఆటలు పాటలు వేడుకలు మాటకు మాటలు అల్లరులు తీయని గుర్తుల కానుకలు వెన్నంటి ఉంటాయి వెయ్యేళ్ళకి రారండో వేడుక చూద్దాం ఈ సీతమ్మని రామయ్యని ఒకటిగా చేసేద్దాం ఆడేద్దాం పాడేద్దాం నవ్వేద్దాం
don't move, let me apply kumkum on your forehead.
When you are with me, no alankar is required.
When I'm not with you, you should remember me.
Okay, this Chudamani is a gift from my side to remember me when I am not there with you.
Shri Ram, Bharat wants to come and meet you.
Brother, uncle has come to take me. I have taken permission from my father. Please give me your blessings.
Long live my dear brother. I have been considering this kingdom and its people as my eyes and have been ruling for so many years. Now that I am growing old, I have decided to hand over the kingdom to my son Rama.
Yes, it is the right decision.
Guruji, please fix some auspicious day for Raja Abhishek.
Okay, Maharaj. I'm delighted to announce that tomorrow is an auspicious day for the Rajya Abhishek.
पुरुषोत्तम राम है दयालु बड़े, दशरथ नंदन है कृपालु बड़े। सोने के सिंहासन पर राम जब विराजेंगे, बनेगी अयोध्या जैसे स्वर्ग की नगरिया। राम जी हाँ, श्री राम जी राजा बनेंगे, हो झूमे नाचे हो अवध नगरिया। शुभ घंटा बज उठा, शुभ घड़ी आ गई। गौ माता झूमती उत्सव है मना रही। शुभ घंटा बज उठा, शुभ घड़ी आ गई। गौ माता झूमती उत्सव है मना रही। यह उत्सव देख कर नंदी नाच नाच उठे। सारी अयोध्या में फैले खुशी की लहरिया। राम जी, श्री राम जी राजा बनेंगे, हो झूमे नाचे हो अवध नगरिया। श्री राम जी राजा बनेंगे, हो झूमे नाचे हो अवध नगरिया।
उत्सव परम देख अवध के लोगों का, राम राज्याभिषेक होने वाला है। यह देख मंथरा के कुटिल मन में ईर्ष्या द्वेष की अग्नि उठती है। जहरीली नागिन जैसे बदला लेने कई कई के कानों में विष घोल देती है। अति निर्मल मन को कई के ये रानी के विचलित कर उसमें उत्पात भरती है। मंथरा बोली रानी कई के से, राम राजा होंगे तो सुन ले रानी। इकलौता बेटा तेरा दास होगा, तू भी इस महल में एक दासी होगी।
Why are you in such a bad mood? Can I do something to cheer you up?
Of course, Maharaja. I once saved you on the battlefield, and you promised me 2 wishes. I haven't used them yet, but I want to use them now.
Okay, no problem.
I wish my son Bharata to be the next king of Ayodhya, and I wish for Rama to be banished to the forest for 14 years.
What? I accept your first wish, but please reconsider the second. I beg you, Kaikai, don't do this. Let Rama live here and let Bharata be the king. I can't live without Rama. I will die.
No, Maharaja.
Oh, what happened to father?
Well, I asked your father to fulfill my wishes, but Rama, you can only help him keeping his promises. Raghuvanshi are known for keeping their promises.
Mother, please tell me your promises.
Your father does not have the strength to fulfill the wishes. My first wish is that Bharat should be crowned as the king and you should be exiled to the forest for 14 years.
रघुकुल रीत सदा चली आई, प्राण जाए पर वचन न जाई।
Sita, why you have dressed up like that?
I am your shadow. Following your father's word is your duty. Following your footsteps is my duty.
What are you saying, Sita? This is not possible. How can you survive in forest? So many wild animals will be there. You will be scared.
When Ram Raksha is with me, there is nothing which can scare me. Even Ayodhya or forest, wherever you go, I will follow you. Please don't say no.
Brother, I am ready.
Lakshman, you too?
I am like a shadow who will always be there for you. Wherever you go, I will come with you.
क्या कभी अंबर से सूर्य बिछड़ता है?
आज्ञा दो मां।
क्या कभी बिन बाती दीपक जलता है? क्या कभी अंबर से सूर्य बिछड़ता है? क्या कभी बिन बाती दीपक जलता है? कैसी है ये अनहोनी हर आँख हुई नम, छोड़ गया जो तू कैसे जिएंगे हम? तू ही किनारा, तू ही सहारा, तू जग सारा, तू ही हमारा सूरज, तू ही तारा।
Sita and Lakshman went to the forest.
You go away from here. I don't want to see your face. Rama, Rama, I can't live without you. Please come back. Rama, Rama.
धन्य मात सीता धन्य राम जी स्वामी हो केवट की नाव आए जगत के स्वामी धन्य मात सीता धन्य राम जी स्वामी हो केवट की नाव आए जगत के स्वामी राम जी कृपालु बड़े उनके आज पाँव पड़े स्वामी राम जी कृपालु बड़े उनके आज पाँव पड़े हाँ उठने लगी तरंगों सी खुशियाँ अब हमारी धन्य मात सीता धन्य राम जी स्वामी हो केवट की नाव आए जगत के स्वामी सौतेली माँ ने कहा साम्राज्य को त्याग दिया हाजी सौतेली माँ ने कहा साम्राज्य को त्याग दिया कष्टों को सह सह कर हारने को जा रहे वो ओ हो कष्टों को सह सह कर हारने को जा रहे वो निधि महान जिसके हाथ वे सहारा मांगते हो स्वामी निधि महान जिसके हाथ वे सहारा मांगते हो नाम पतित पावन जो वो ही बैठा मेरी नाव धन्य मात सीता धन्य राम जी स्वामी हो केवट की नाव आए जगत के स्वामी धन्य मात सीता धन्य राम जी स्वामी हो केवट की नाव आए जगत के स्वामी राम जानकी लक्ष्मण राम जानकी राम स्वामी मेरे राम स्वामी
Oh Bharat, my dear son, good to see you. Ayodhya's throne is awaiting for you, though your father's death is painful to me. The thought that you are going to be the king gives me immense pleasure.
Mother, your dream will never come true. I'm ashamed to have you as my mother. You have not only exiled brother Rama to the forest, but you have also killed my father doing so. Even the demons would not indulge such a mean act. I will also go to the forest and bring my brother Rama back.
Janaki, father would have been worried about us, but yours and Lakshmana's company and Chitrakute's unmatched natural beauty have made our life peaceful. Seeing this, father would have been very happy.
Father, I hear the sounds of horses and warriors. approaching us. Surely it must be Bharat, coming here to destroy our peace. Allow me to kill him.
Lakshmana, don't lose your temper. Bharat is our brother.
Brother, Rama,
Oh, my dear Bharat, how is our father?
our father, breath is last, calling out your name.
Oh, my dear father.
Brother, please leave immediately to Ayodhya. You are the right heir to the kingdom.
No, Bharata, it is the only right years to fulfill our father's promise to Mother Kaikeyi.
Okay, brother, I shall rule Ayodhya for 14 years during your exile. Only if you spare me your padukas, which I shall keep on the throne and offer daily.
Wow, what a handsome man! I must somehow entice him and get married. I am Surpanaka, sister of Ravana, who is the king of Lanka.
I am Rama, the eldest son of King Dasharatha of Ayodhya. I have come here to stay in the forest for 14 years.
Your name is as beautiful as your looks. Will you marry me?
Sorry, my wife is with me. See there, my brother Lakshmana. He is handsome too. Why don't you marry him?
You're more handsome than Rama. I liked you. Will you marry me? I am very beautiful. One in a million.
Okay, no problem. But I am Rama's devotee attendant. If you marry me, you will also become a servant to Sita Ma. Think about it.
What is there to think? I will kill Sita. Ah! Oh! Brother Ravana.
Oh, my sister Surpanakha. What happened to you? Why is your face covered with blood?
The evil Rama and Lakshmana have done this to me. Lakshmana has chopped off my nose. He is too proud. Rama's wife is so beautiful. I want her to become the queen of Lanka. And Rama and Lakshmana told me, you go and send your brother.
Enough!
Don't utter a single word!
How dare he is! Don't worry, sister. I shall not rest until I have destroyed them. Har Har Mahadev!
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
Marich, you should leave immediately to Panchvati with your illusion. Rama should be taken away from Sita. I will take care of the rest.
Enmity with Rama is destructive.
If you disobey me, I will kill you.
Okay, Maharaj.
Look at the deer. How beautiful it is.
Yes, it is. But the unusual beauty makes me feel that it could be the trick of the demons.
But Sri Ram, can you get the deer for me?
Okay, Sita. Lakshmana, take care of Sita while I am away. Sita! 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 Sita!
Lakshmana! It sounds like my Lord Sri Ram is crying for help. I feel he is in danger. Please go and save him at once.
Do not be afraid. This is not Rama's voice.
Lakshmana, you are arguing with me. When your brother's life is in danger, please leave at once and save him. I cannot imagine my life without him.
I shall obey you. This is Lakshmana Rekha. You are not supposed to cross this line at any cost. Har Har Mahadev! Bhavati Bhiksham Dehi!
If you will cross this line, your fate will change.
Sorry, this is Lakshman Rekha. I should not cross this line.
But this is like a glory of my Lord Shiva. I cannot cross this line.
Ha 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 ha! Har Har Mahadev!
Ah! Rama, Lakshmana, Rama, Lakshmana, help me!
No one can come and rescue you! Ha 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 ha!
Jatayu, Jatayu, help me! Ah, Jatayu!
Have you left Sita alone there? Sorry, Brother Rama. I have to come. This is all illusion. Let us go and search Sita. Sita, Sita, where are you, Sita? Sita, Sita, where are you, Sita? Look, Lakshmana, these are Sita's jewels. I am sure someone has kidnapped her and they passed by this way. Rama! 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 Ravana has kidnapped your wife. I tried to save her, but I couldn't save her. Who is this Ravana? Ravana is the king of demons.
Ha 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 ha! What a beauty! I have never seen such a beauty in my life. You are the shining star. What a wonderful light shining around Lanka. I have seen so many beautiful women, but no one is even equal to the dust of your feet.
Chi, you evil! Don't you dare touch me! With your illusion, you have separated me and Rama. My Rama will come and kill you.
Ha 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 ha! Devi, you don't know. I'm blessed by Lord Shiva's being immortal. No one can kill me. Think again. Trijata, take care of my queen.
Who are you?
We are the sons of King Dasharatha, elder brother Rama, and I am Lakshmana.
We know you, Hanuman.
How do you know my name?
The gold necklace you wore made me know who you are.
Gold necklace? I can't see anything.
The person who will receive my services and support can only see my necklace. After so many years, you appear to me, O Rama.
Lakshmana.
This is my Sita Ma's anklet.
Sita, my Sita.
I can understand your pain.
Both of you are in distress, Sri Rama. Please help Maharaja Sugriva to get his kingdom back. The Maharaja Sugriva, please help Rama.
I promised to help you to find Mother Sita.
I promise to help you to get your wife and kingdom back from your evil brother Bali.
Today only I will send the soldiers in the search of Mother Sita.
Hanuman, keep this ring with you.
Who are you? Without seeking the permission of Lankini, how can you enter Lanka?
Hey Sita, don't be that much stubborn. I am unable to concentrate on other work. I am begging for your love. You are my dream girl.
O evil, the end of your sin is nearby. Rama will not forgive you. My Lord will come and save me by killing you.
Ha 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 ha! Surrender? No way! Your husband is not Vishnu that he can cross the river and enter Lanka. He cannot match my strength. You have 2 months' time to change your mind.
राम 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 जय राम 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 जय राम 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 जय राम 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 जय राम राम राम.
Who are you?
Greetings, Mother Sita. Believe me, I'm Rama's messenger. My name is Hanuman.
I'm tired of demon tricks.
This ring is the answer for your doubt, Mother.
Rama, Rama.
Oh, Mother, please get on my shoulder. Let us go and meet Rama.
I am sorry. No, you must go and return soon with Lord Rama. Give this Chudamani to my Rama.
Mother, may I go now? I'm really very hungry. May I eat some fruit from this garden?
Hanuman, just you have to eat and go.
Yes, Mother. But after that, I want to show a sample demo of my strength to the demons.
Hey monkey! Have you done all these? I'll use my Brahmastra to catch you.
Father, he's responsible for all this mess.
On whose strength you're having this much ego?
Ego? Who is having? Me or you?
Stop this nonsense! You are my prisoner now!
Who is prisoner?
Who are you? You are not an ordinary monkey.
I am Rama's messenger. I came to find Sita Ma. I heard you're a great king, but you don't even know how to behave with messenger.
Due respect is given to those who are equal, and not to monkeys like you.
Let me make my seat. Let us talk now.
Oh, you're a magician too.
This is not magic, just a demo of power. This is the last warning. Hand over Sita Ma to Lord Rama.
Rama. Who is this Lord Rama?
Rama Rama, Rama Rama, Rama Rama Rama, Rama Rama Rama, Rama 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 नाम गूंज रहा राज मंदिर में, नन्हे नन्हे पगों चले राम सुंदरम। राम नाम गूंज रहा राज मंदिर में, नन्हे नन्हे पगों चले राम सुंदरम। राज मंदिर में बाल राम सुंदरम, मधुर बोल बोलते वे, चपल नैन खोलते वे, नटखट लीलाएं पल पल करते वे। बाल राम लीला कर वशिष्ठ मुनि को हंसाते, राम 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 राम, राम नाम गूंज रहा राज मंदिर में, नन्हे नन्हे पगों चले राम सुंदरम। बाणों से वे वानरों का चित्र बनाते हैं, हीरों की मुद्रिका से कौवों को उड़ाते हैं। सभी से समान वे स्नेह जताते हैं, गिलहरियों को मीठे द्राक्ष खजूर खिलाते हैं। पेड़ों के पीछे वे जाके छिप जाते हैं, सरोवर के जल में कंकर वे फेंकते हैं। माता पिता सब मोहित नटखट लीलाओं पे, बाल राम की महिमा गाए नटखटपन से। राम 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 राम, राम नाम गूंज रहा राज मंदिर में, नन्हे नन्हे पगों चले राम सुंदर हैं।
Meghnad, you kill him!
Oh brother, we should not kill a messenger.
That Rama should come to know our power. Set fire for his tail and leave him.
ओम मन मन मारुत वेगा, ओम तत्सत् सत्तापसयोगा, ओम ओम वानर नेता, ओम नमो नम भावि विधाता। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय मु हनुमान की, भयमु भयमु रालंक की, जय जय मनरा हनुमान की। चिंता दीचरा सीत की, जय 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 हनुमान की।
Brother, please hand over Sita to Rama. This is not correct. What are you doing?
Are you my brother? You have to support me or that Rama. Leave this Lanka immediately. Don't show me your face again. Sita Ma is safe. Sita Ma is safe. I had seen her. Sita Ma is safe. Sita Ma is safe. Shri Ram, I have seen Sita Ma. Sita Ma has given this Chudamani.
Sugriva, be ready for Rama Ravana battle.
He's Vibhishan. He's a demon. Don't believe him.
If someone will ask us for help, not even Ravan's brother, even we should help Ravan.
Lord Rama, how can we cross the sea now?
Let us seek permission from Sea God and start constructing the bridge.
बार बार हाँ बोलो यार हाँ अपनी जीत हो उनकी हार हाँ बार बार हाँ बोलो यार हाँ अपनी जीत हो उनकी हार हाँ कोई हमसे जीत न पावे चले चलो चले चलो मिट जावे जो टकरावे चले चलो भले घोर अंधेरा छावे चले चलो चले चलो कोई राह में ना थम जावे चले चलो टूट गई जब उंगली मुट्ठी पांचों मिली तो बन गई मुट्ठी एका बढ़ता ही जावे चले चलो चले चलो कोई कितना भी बहकावे चले चलो कोई हमसे जीत न पावे चले चलो चले चलो मिट जावे जो टकरावे चले चलो
O King, Ramasena has entered Lanka.
What if they have entered Lanka? They can defeat this Kai Kashiputra. Ram soldiers have killed all our soldiers.
Enough is enough. Somehow Kumbhakaran should wake up.
I'm immortal! Ha 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 ha!
Sri Ram, shoot the arrow on the navel of Ravana. Then only he will die.
యుద్ధం అంటూ మొదలు పెట్టాక కంటికి కనపడాల్సింది టార్గెట్ మాత్రమే.
శ్రీయాంజనేయం భజే వజ్రగాయం సదా రక్షగా కాపాడని నీ నామధేయం.
शुद्ध ब्रह्म परात्पर रामा कालात्मक परमेश्वर रामा शुद्ध ब्रह्म परात्पर रामा कालात्मक परमेश्वर रामा शेषतल्प सुख निद्रित रामा ब्रह्माद्यमर प्रार्थित रामा शेषतल्प सुख निद्रित रामा ब्रह्माद्यमर प्रार्थित रामा राम राम जय राजा रामा राम राम जय सीता रामा प्रिय गुह विनिवेदित पद रामा शबरी दत्त
ಕಿರಣ ನೋಡ ಕೇಳಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್. ಹಲೋ ಸರ್. ಹಾಂ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಸರ್ ಇದು ಸಿ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ. ಹಲೋ ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ. ಹಲೋ ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ. ಹಲೋ ಸರ್. ಹಲೋ ಸರ್. ಹಲೋ ಸರ್. ಹಾಂ ಓಕೆ. ಹಲೋ ಓಕೆ. ಹಲೋ ಸರ್. ಹಾಂ ಓಕೆ. ಸರ್ सर हेलो. हाँ ओके. ओके. ओके.
Jalva, Jalva. Yo, blaze up the walk, light it up to the beat. Come on, Jalva. Give it to me, Jalva. Give it to me, Jalva. Gorgeous with attitude in every latitude. Miss hot booty, come on, baby, do your duty work.
जिस्मों का है ये जलवा, जिस्मों का है ये जलवा, शोहरत भी दे ये जलवा, मकसद भी दे ये जलवा.
Tell 'em like it is. I can't hear.
दिलकश लगे ये जलवा, मैं कश लगे ये जलवा, नशा ही नशा ये जलवा, मजा ही मजा, नशा ही नशा.
Throw it up, throw it up.
जलवा. आग सी रवानियां, लेती गए अंगड़ाइयां, ये चला दे दिलों में चिंगारियां. फैशन का है ये जलवा.
She got the styling in her. Not even smiling in her. She got the styling in her.
Come, come along, feel the rhythm is in the air. Shake it alone, yeah. Keep swinging in style. Move by my side as the music is soaring. Go on shouting and roaring, dancing all night.
है अदा का नजराना, हर जुबा को अफसाना, हर किसी पे छा जाना. हो ये जलवा, हो ये जलवा, कर दे सबको मस्ताना. हर जमाना दीवाना, दिन में दौरे दिखलाना. हाँ ये जलवा, हाँ ये जलवा, आओ किसी रवानियों. देखी गई अंगड़ाइयाँ, ये जला दे दिलों में चिंगारियाँ. ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा.
Let me see your hands up. That's right. Hit me with it.
इसने सबको भरमाया है अजब इसकी माया, कोई भी बच ना पाया. हो ये जलवा, हो ये जलवा, आसमां भी दिखलाया, जमीन पे भी ले आया. जाना इसने करवाया. हो ये जलवा, हाँ ये जलवा, आओ किसी रवानियाँ. देखी गई अंगड़ाइयाँ, ये जला दे दिलों में चिंगारियाँ. ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा.
Everybody shout it out. Let me hear you sing along. Let's go. Yo, blaze up the walk, light it up to the beat. Come on. Give it to me. Give it to me. Gorgeous with attitude in every latitude. Miss hot booty, come on, baby, do your duty. What?
जिस्मों का है ये जलवा, जिस्मों का है ये जलवा. शोहरत भी दे ये जलवा, मकसद भी दे ये जलवा.
Tell him like it is. I can't hear.
दिलकश लगे ये जलवा, मैं कश लगे ये जलवा. नशा ही नशा ये जलवा, मजा ही मजा. नशा ही नशा.
Throw it up, throw it up.
आग सी रवानियाँ, लेती गए अंगड़ाइयाँ. ये जला दे दिलों में चिंगारियाँ. ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा.
She got the styling in her. Not even smiling in her. She got the styling in her.
Come, come along, feel the rhythm is in the air. Shake it alone, yeah. Keep swinging in style. Move by my side as the music is
जियाओ घूमरड़ी चिलबान पधारो सा घूमरड़ी चिलबान अलम धारो गुरड़ गुरड़ गुरदा आस मारो जीवड़ो करो हिचकावे ओ घबरावे मन में भावे मारो बादल भान मन भावे चमक चम बाजे भाई सकेले चमक चमक घुघरा बाजे आओ सा घूमरड़ी चिलबान आओ सा घूमरड़ी चिलबान
कनक प्रीत के सर पे ओढ़ कर घूमर घूमर घूमे हाँ घूमर घूमर घूमे ओ ललक रीत सब जग की छोड़ कर घूमर घूमर घूमे भर के ढोला वाले ठाठ घूमर 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 घूमे घूमर घूमर घूमे रे भाई सा घूमर घूमे भारी सारी
It's always been a great journey at Just for Kids, and always evidenced wonderful, awesome parents being family, the best family I will ever say. So thank you so much, parents, to make Just for Kids a wonderful journey of almost 9 years now. So we are at our 9th year and are proud to say about it. And thank you, parents. And definitely we can't forget about our staff. Today I would like to thank all my staff, the wonderful staff we have who are very dedicated and who are loving, caring, and they really want to take care of the kids and they're very eager. They're messaging even at 2:30 in the night, "Ma'am, how is the show going to be to Jyotsna ma'am?" So Jyotsna was telling me, "Now girls, see, look at this, and this is the kind of dedication what our staff has." So thank you, staff, for the wonderful support. All our helpers, aunties, you always need the support, you always stood by us, and you make the program so grand success. And of course, our kids, the wonderful, charming, and awesome. They say each and every dialogues. If you would observe, they can, say the dialogue. They know what is the action. They know what is the emotions behind this. So we could see all this. So that was definitely the talent show. So that is again to the staff. Definitely they are teaching the best and they are taking care and wonderful curriculum for Just for Kids. So I would appreciate our kids who are super kids actually. So thank you so much for the kids and all the technicians who took care of this lighting, cameraman, and our music system. Without you all, we wouldn't have been able to make the show so grand success. Thank you, and I love you. Thanks for dedicating time. And definitely.
Now the answer we need to know. Let us seek permission from sea god and start constructing the bridge.
Ram soldier has killed all our soldiers.
Oh God, to protect
सो जा सो जा सो जा नीचे सो जा सो जा नीचे सो जा चलो सो जा सो जा सो जा ऐसे करके टाड़ता हो ना टाड़ता है रात को कि आपको ऐसे करना है ऐसे सोना है ऐसे करके सो जा ऐसे सो जा
You say that.
You say. I beg you. I beg you, Kai. I beg you, Kai. Let's run.
Not beg you, beg you.
I beg you, Kai. Little bend like this. Let's Rama be here.
You have to not laughing.
Crying like. And let Bharata be the king of